sharing 3D designs with collaborators using Fusion 360 archives, F3Z Files, package complete projects for distribution. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these Fusion 360 archive files. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest F3Z files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. An .f3z file is a packaged archive created by Autodesk Fusion 360, a cloud-based 3D modeling platform. Users create or receive F3Z files to share a complete project, as the archive bundles the main 3D model, F3D, with all its external references, components, and linked assets into a single portable file. The .f3z format is fundamentally a zip archive with a renamed extension. This container-based design was chosen for portability. By bundling the primary .f3d design file and all its dependencies, Autodesk ensures that projects can be shared or backed up without the risk of broken links or missing components. Autodesk Inc. defined Autodesk Fusion 360 as the application primarily intended for F3Z. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows won't show parametric history or layers, so full comprehension requires engineering tools. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the F3Z file and choose Open With. Start with Autodesk Fusion 360 if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your F3Z file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the F3Z file is refusing to open. First, opening in Fusion 360. Launch Autodesk Fusion 360 and use File then Open from my computer selecting the F3Z file. Fusion 360 unpacks the archive, uploading the contents to your cloud workspace. The complete project becomes available with all components, assemblies, and drawings restored. Modify and save the project using normal Fusion 360 workflow. Next, extracting contents. Since F3Z files use zip-based packaging, extract them with 7-zip WinRAR or other archive utilities to access individual F3D files within. Each extracted F3D opens in Fusion 360 separately, useful when only specific components are needed, rather than the complete project archive. The extracted files maintain their parametric design data. Finally, sharing with collaborators. Create F3Z archives in Fusion 360 through File, then export selecting the archive format. The resulting F3Z file includes all reference components and assemblies in a self-contained package. Share via email, cloud storage, or version control, providing collaborators with complete project context for offline review or design contributions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.